The 3-2-1 alignment is a basic method used to define the coordinate system for measuring the part. It involves constraining the part in 3 steps. This alignment works by using 3 points to define a primary datum plane, 2 points to define a secondary datum line perpendicular to the plane, 1 point to define a tertiary datum point, fixing the spatial position. This process sets the origin and the orientation of the XYZ axes in the measuring system, enabling precise and repeatable positioning of the part for dimensional inspection. Let's see how to make this in TouchDMIS. We start by importing the CAD model. The software doesn't know where the part is positioned in the CMM, so it will upload the CAD model within the machine coordinate system. Go to the main action buttons, select Plane, and select the feature. Measure 3 points on the plane surface using the CMM manually. Then, select Line, pick up a line perpendicular to the plane, and measure. At last, measure a point for the tertiary datum. Okay, now we have the features. Go to the main Tools buttons, select Datum and Alignment, and then choose 3-2-1 alignment. Select the plane as the primary datum. Check axis direction and origin position. Then, the line as the secondary datum. Check axis direction and origin position. And finally, the point as the tertiary datum. Check the origin position. As you can see, TouchDMIS projects the features in their real position. Ensure that the Equate CAD button is active. To apply the alignment, press the Apply Alignment button. That's it! Now the CAD is synchronized with the real part in CMM. Confirm the alignment by pressing OK in the result window. Let's make a test to check the CAD synchronization. Switch the prog mode and select the plane. Press Play to execute. Thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel to see other TouchDMIS tutorials.